Welcome to the demo of Angadi, a completely configurable e-commerce application specially developed for small and medium businesses. It uses Firebase at the backend such that the vendor who is using this application need not to worry about the backend at all. So the front end page looks like this, and it's completely open source and hosted on GitHub. It has all the README file of this project complete consists of all the steps to install, the prerequisite steps, and then steps to deployment. It will be around 23 steps, and at the end of this 23rd step you will be completely deploying your e-commerce application, and you can just go to the dashboard, add products and categories, and add everything that needs. So let's not waste time and just give a quick demo of this application. So this application header bar looks like this, and the logo, the colors here, and all of this, the logo, colors, the terms and conditions, about us, the name, everything will be configurable to the config files. And this app bar consists of a toggle button here, and it shows hello, sign in and sign up and sign in when the user is not signed in. And it comes with other options here, and some contact us info, and this WhatsApp number and the email also will be should be given through the config file. And if you have any other app placed already in the Play Store or App Store, you can place those links in the config files, and that will be shown here. And other than this, it has search functionality with sign in and my code options. Below that is a category bar, and it will show categories up to certain limit. Like if you have 20 categories, showing all the 20 will be making it clumsy. So there is a limit of number of categories that should be shown on the category bar, and that limit is also be configurable to config file. And the user can check the deliverable, whether his location is there in the deliverable list of this website or not, by using this dialog box. So when he enters his pin code and click on the check button, that this will be clearly shown that this website will be able to deliver to that location. And if we enter any other suppose this pin code, and again we can also see that we don't deliver to this location. All these pin codes can be given through the backend, and through the dashboard, so you don't need not to worry about changing anything in the code. And same wise, you can also add products and categories, these banners, everything in the dashboard itself. So the top deal section, where uh, it will be showing you special offers, and we placed a special index for this top deal section so that it shows the top the product with high discount will be shown first, and vice versa. And same way, you have top categories section, and it will be showing all the categories here. And if the user wants to view all the top deals, he clicks on here, he will be taken to this grid. And when the user clicks on the add to my cart button, and a cart will be shown right left of this grid, and with total amount, and you can edit here, you can also edit from here. You can also go to the my cart and edit there, here cart, everything is configurable there. So in the same way, category is also shown here. So category has a banner to it, and a description, which will be helpful for the SEO analysis. And so if you take a look at this category listing is also based on an index. So the high discount percentage product will be shown first, and that is the same, then it is ordered about its title. And out of order or the ordered products will be shown at the last. So in that way, this list index is created. uh, Similarly, yes, in this way you can go to different categories. Now let's look at the search functionality. The search is powered by Algolia, and so that way it is super smooth. And if you enter some other rubbish also, it will be showing your details nicely. This search term will be searched over the title and description provided by you. So if the description contains this term also, that product will be shown here. So in this way, search functionality works seamlessly with the website. But if you are using the Algolia free tier, this is a mandated thing to acknowledge them. And if you are paying for Algolia, there is a config option in the config file. You can just flip it off by making it false, so that this will be disabled, disappearing from here. And to place order, you need to sign in. And to sign in, you may have to, you can click here, that will be directly rerouting you to the sign in option. And this is normal JSON web token based signing functionalities used here, as Firebase offers that. And you can login as guest is also provided. Let's see how login as guest works. And if you want to see the sign up form, I will just show you afterwards. So just as of now, let's place an order here. So the my cart looks like this. You can edit some more details here. Click on the place order and give a delivery address, something like uh, by giving your mobile number, delivery address, and clicking on this given pin code. If you click on this pin code, none, that will be again shown here that we don't deliver to the location if the pin code is not in your list. So the user will be uh, intimated multiple times on the website regarding the delivery locations. That way, small and medium businesses can use this website without any worries. So once the user clicks on submit, the make payment option will be enabled. So clicking on make payment, you will be shown this payment details page. And if the user wants cash on delivery, you should click on this button and then click on the place order button. If you want to pay through card, just directly click on the place order button, and you will be seeing a Razorpay dialog box in no time, like this. And user need to enter his email address. It's mandatory. As of now, we are not providing it directly because we're not offering any email verification now. But once we offer email verification in the next versions of Angadi, we can your user don't need to do this. And in this way, you can enter the, as of now, this thing is in the test mode. If you provide the verified APIs of Razorpay, this test mode banner will not appear, and everything will be perfect. And in test mode, you can skip this OTP entering stage. And so when the transaction is success, you will be shown a dialog box like this, saying that the order is placed. And if you just click on here, you will be redirected to the home page. And if the user wants to see his order status and details regarding the order, he can click on this order link, and it will be taken to the accounts page. And under the order section, he will be showing all the details. And if he want to if he want to or she want to cancel the order, the user can click on the cancel order button and click on yes to cancel the order. And as of now, this is the front end. I will be also showing you the mobile view. This is a completely responsive website, so don't worry about you know mobile friendliness. So give me a second. So this is the mobile view of Angadi. Same toggle button will be showing you the name, and now the user is logged in, so it will be showing these options. The same options will be shown in the mobile and web desktop view in case of this drawer. And the this location thing will be shown as a bottom sheet. And the search functionality will be given a separate window here, and he can search for any term, almonds, and he'll be showing those results here. And the search for powered by Algolia will be showing here. And if the user clicks on any add to cart button, he will be showing all this the same this banner, all this description and everything will be placed here, and you can just add to cart and just click on the my cart and place the order. So the UI looks something like exactly like this for all the websites. You can change, as I said, you can change the colors, but everything will be like this. And click on the make payment button to go to the payments page. Same thing, you can place it as a cash and delivery, or you can place it via the card. So in this way, the front end looks for the user. And so if the dashboard is placed in a separate route called dashboard, so for the normal users, it will not be available. So he will be again redirected if you try to get to the dashboard. So you need help, you need to have an admin account, and the steps to create the admin account again will be is completely shown, described here. Don't worry about that. So my admin account, let me enter my admin account credentials. So I'm logged in as admin now, and for me now dashboard will be visible. So yeah, so this content will not be visible for normal users. So you will be, the deliverable locations can be added to this tab, and all the banners with the link to which where the you can also add the link where the user should be taken when he clicks on the banner. Can also be added here and click on the submit, then the add orders. So if you want to remove any banner also, you can click on this button, the banner will be removed. So all the CRUD operations are available on the products and categories as well. So in Angadi, you need to add categories before adding products. So for adding categories, you need to go to this add category tab and add your categories via this form. And after adding the categories, you need to add the units of those categories. So for adding category, you need to give its title, description, and image, and also a banner image, which you have shown, which you have seen in the front end. And after that, in this way, after that you should add units like this, or click on add unit, and the unit will be added here. So the purpose of this toggle buttons here is all the products using this unit in this category, you can change the visibility of that. That means if toggle button is off, the all the products which will go out of stock under this category using this unit. So in this way, some config options are provided in the category section as well. And if you need to add any product, suppose you need to enter its title, and if you toggle this special offer switch here, this product will be shown in the front top deal section. Let me show you. That product will be shown in the top deal section here. So in that way, you need to give title, description, the category under which this product should be, and units which you have created there, and the price. And for adding tax, you can add multiple taxes here, based, or you can also, like, tax type can be of percentage or amount, and then you can add some percentage and click on the add new tax, and then yeah, in the same way you can clear those taxes. After adding all the details, you should add the image by clicking on here, and you can drop and drag this image file and click on the submit, and then here click on the submit. The product will be created, and all the products created can be managed to this product management tab. And if you want to, you can search for the products by its name in this way, and you can edit its image right here. You can drag and drop the image, or you can change all its information, tags or everything. You can make it special, you can do everything you want right here itself. And if you want to delete, yeah, you also have an option with the confirmation dialog. So as of now, this is the functionality we provide, and I think we haven't shown you the orders thing. So orders page looks like this. If it's an online payment, the payment type shows it's an online payment with all the guest name, the customer name, and it's for his phone number, his pin code, his address, everything. And if you delivered that order, you can just click on the S and that will be removed from here. Like click to this, and if I deliver this product, I just click on this and this will be removed from the list. So the most recently placed order will be showing at the top, and previous past orders will be showing here. And it has nice pagination option available right now, and you can just click on, you can also configure the rows per page and pages in the same way, in this way. So this is the functionality in the dashboard. I will also show you the config, how the config file looks like. This is the Firebase config file. After you create your Firebase project, you need to just copy the configs from there and place it here. And after you have your, so this is the normal config file where you need to enter your title, description, about us, contact information, primary, all the colors, Razorpay, KIDs, all this configure file configs are clearly explained in the readme file. Just go through the readme file, you will be able to do it whether you are a programmer or not. So far, I forgot to show you the product details page. The product details page will be looking like this, with the off percentage and variant details, title, and price information. And you can also add to cart by clicking on this button. And special sharing options will with these buttons, where if you click on the WhatsApp thing, you will be sharing a separate window for sharing on WhatsApp. And same with the Facebook and normal email. And there is a nice description that you provided in the dashboard will be shown here. And the same top deals swiper window will be shown here with a different title. And in this way the product details page will be looking like. And every grid you see here, like in the categories or in the search or in the special offers section, this is completely paginated, so you don't have to worry about the Firebase building or the fastness of the website. It is completely fast. And the number of cards that you view over in this grid is also configurable to the config file. So that's all about Angadi. There are much more integrate details that I may have forgotten, but surely it's a great website. And we also encourage contributions. And if you want to contribute, just work this project and create a feature branch of that. Make some changes, commit the changes, and just raise a pull request. We'll definitely go through it. And if it adds value to the website, we definitely add it, because we have a lot of scope of improvement in the space also. And as you know, we are trying to help small and medium businesses to set up their own e-commerce solution free of cost. And for this noble cause, we need people to work with us. And thank you very much.